Here's a part you can make for the Oculus Quest that balances the weight on the player's forehead with a couple of options for padding for lasting comfort. I love the Quest, but for me it's a bit front heavy, so I tend to get acute fatigue on my cheekbones and eyebrows. This plate hoists the weight off the face and spreads it on the forehead so you can play longer and more comfortably. This part is also compatible with the Vive Deluxe audio strap. It's a simple part to 3D print, but you can help the weight of the Quest spread on your forehead by dipping the part in hot water for 2 minutes and then holding it to your skull until it cures. Custom fitting gives you the greatest contact area. You can see what a difference it's made here. There are a couple of options for padding, permanent and simple or removable and washable. We'll cover how to make each one. Sand down the inside of the plate so that it will hold crazy glue. Trace the entire plate on paper to make a pattern. For the simple version, you'll want a $2 fabric mouse pad. Cut pieces to fit either side of the forehead and press them in with crazy glue, optionally leaving space for the stock strap in the middle. Now for the removable and washable padding, I went hunting for materials. I found a $4 secondhand tablet case with a fuzzy layer, a foam layer, and a woven layer. I'm going to repurpose it for a few washable pads. Cut out the pattern you made, pin it to the foam, cut that out. Do the same with the fuzzy fabric that's going to stick to the barbed velcro. I'm going to use some adhesive tape to stick the thin fuzzy layer to the foam. The woven mesh fabric is going to be touching our forehead, and I'm going to leave some extra to wrap and sew around the fuzzy backside. Using industrial Velcro, we'll stick some pieces to the left and right hand side of the 3D printed plate to hold our new padding. I'll do a test fit before I do any stitching. Once I stitch it with a sewing machine, I can trim the excess. And if you're using white thread like me, you can color it in with a Sharpie later. We're just about there. To install it in the Quest, remove the facial interface and attach one 25mm double-sided Velcro loop, and cut 2 thin strips for the side loops. The stock strap can connect to the front loop and straddle the plate. If you have a Vive Deluxe audio strap, it can connect to the top loop directly. Now, if you find yourself with extra strap length, add some fuzzy Velcro to the back. As you can see, there are a variety of ways you can use this plate for custom comfort. Feel free to remix it on Thingiverse. This solution really works for me, and I can now use it for hours without discomfort. If there's a comfort mod you love, I would love to hear about it, and I'm sure the Oculus Quest subreddit would as well. Thanks and take care.